Hey everyone, welcome to our video. Are you tired of dealing with unpleasant odors while vacuuming your home? Well, you're in luck. In today's video, we'll share some fantastic tips to make your vacuum cleaners smell good. Stick around and get ready to transform your cleaning routine into a fragrant and refreshing experience. Please check the description link. I will provide details information. Understanding the odor source. Before we get into the solutions, it's important to understand where those unpleasant smells are coming from. Most vacuum cleaner odors originate from accumulated dirt, dust, and trapped debris. Over time, these particles can leave a lingering odor. Let's move on to our first tip. Deep cleaning the vacuum cleaner. To get rid of any existing odors, it's essential to deep clean your vacuum cleaner. Start by emptying the dustbin or replacing the bag, depending on the type of vacuum you have. Next, remove the filters and clean them thoroughly. You can use mild soap and water for this step. Once everything is dry, reassemble the vacuum. Your machine will already start smelling better. Scented vacuum cleaner tablets. Now, let's move on to our second tip. Scented vacuum cleaner tablets. These small, fragrant tablets can be placed inside the vacuum cleaner bag or dustbin to release a pleasant scent while you clean. They're easily available online or at your local store. Pop one in, and let the delightful fragrance fill your home. Carpet powder. If you have carpets in your home, they can sometimes harbor unpleasant odors. Our third tip is to make your own carpet powder. All you need is some baking soda and your favorite essential oil. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.